WIT's IP3X00 revolutionizes the current production line by introducing a system that is capable to work with the AOI. This is taken one notch higher with the introduction of the RemotePro and RepairPro. Both the RepairPro and the RemotePro are offline stations utilizing the capabilities of the IP3X00. The RemotePro uses only one PC to control 3 to 4 IP3X00 on a production line, while the RepairPro access the database to check the NG calls made by the IP3X00 to help aid the repair station locate the defect on the board. This is a RemotePro setup. The left screen would be the RemotePro interface in which this is automated, while the right screen would be the IP3000 interface in which is operator controlled. At the bottom would be the representation of the PCB moving along the production line processed by the AOI, then the IP3X00. There are a total of 6 boards to be inspected in this case. After testing with the AOI, 4 boards received an NG call. The 4 boards then passed on the IP3X00, getting our final results. The 2 failed PCBs will proceed with the RepairPro. If a real NG was captured by the IP3X00, this result will be saved in the database. The RepairPro will be getting this data via the database and will inform the repair operator of what is the NG of the unit. The operator will be having to save the result of the repair back to the database. This ensures full traceability for each boards that had came into this station. For more information, please contact us. WIT